back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. This one is going to allow you to set your own hours, so it's perfect for those of you who are trying to work around other things in your schedule. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company, the Bynes Company Office Solutions. Now, they are more like a staffing company. They provide staffing solutions to a bunch of other businesses. They are hiring a remote data entry clerk. It says they're looking for a few data entry agents to fulfill a few upcoming long-term projects. So they are hiring multiple people for this position. Some of the benefits are you get to work from home, schedule your own hours, work when it's convenient for you. Of course, you will earn paid time off, and they are going to give you, if you refer other people to this job and they get hired, $300 per person that you refer. Now, the basis of this job is literally data entry. You'll maintain the database by entering new and updated customer and account information. You'll prepare the source data for computer entry by compiling and sorting through the information. You'll process customer and account source documents by reviewing the data for any errors or deficiencies. You'll resolve those deficiencies by using standard procedures or returning incomplete documents to your team leader for resolution. You'll enter the customer and account data by entering alphabetic and numeric information on the keyboard to the computer screen. You'll maintain data entry requirements by following their techniques and procedures. You'll test customer and account system changes and upgrades by inputting new data. So it is just complete data entry. They're not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has data entry experience or some kind of related office experience, someone who's had basic computer courses may be preferred by some employers that they work with, but not all. And they're looking for someone who has 2 to 5 years of some kind of experience. You got to be great with typing, organization, attention to detail, and of course you've got to keep the information you see confidential. Now, one thing to note when you go down through the application process, there are a few states that they are unable to hire from. Those are California, Washington, D.C., Massachusetts, Oregon, Connecticut, Maryland, New York, and Wisconsin. Of course, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That is probably dependent on the project that you are picked for and will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for, or if you have any suggestions on how I can make this channel better, things I could do differently, feel free to leave them down below also, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.